Good evening, everyone. Today we explained about Raichur Thermal Power Station (RTPS). RTPS is a coal-fired electric power station located at Shaktinagar in Raichur district in the state of Karnataka and India. It is operated by the Karnataka Power Corporation Limited. It is the first thermal power plant to be set up in this state. The power station was commissioned during various periods from 1985 and it accounts for about 70% of total electricity generated in Karnataka. A thermal power plant generates electricity by converting heat energy into electrical energy. The process involves the combustion of fossil fuels or nuclear reactors to produce steam. The steam then drives turbines connected to the generators producing electricity.
Myself, Charan Kumar M. I am explain about components of a thermal power plant. Wagon tripper. Wagon tripper is a piece of equipment used in thermal power plants to unload coal from railway wagons or trucks. Its primary function is to efficiently transfer the coal from transport vehicles into a plant's coal storage or handling system. Coal storage. In order to generate electricity safely, thermal power plants generally needs to storage certain amount of coal in the power plant. Set up a mechanized coal storage. The proportion of traditional coal storage thermal power plants about 10% to 15% with the development of thermal power plants with the high parameters and large capacity of the coal storage. Crusher. The thermal power plant, the crusher house is section of the power plant where raw coal is crushed into the fine powder before it's transported to the boiler. The coal is usually conveyed to the crusher house from a coal bunker or coal yard. The coal system fine powder is using crusher. The crusher typically consists of a rotary breaker, a roll crusher, or a hammer mill. A coal-fired boiler is a type of boiler that uses coal as its fuel store. It is a commonly used in power plants and industrial facilities for heating and system generation. Coal is burned in the boiler to produce heat, which is then used in convert water into steam of various application. Steam turbines. Steam turbines are devices that convert to energy of high pressure steam into mechanical work. They are widely used in power plants or industrial process generate electricity. When the generator are convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. When thermal power plant established and production units and established year power and day power. Unit 1 and 2 established on the 1986 and the per year power is 210 megawatt each per day. Generated in the power plant is 5.4 mega unit per day. Unit and 3 and 4 established 1994 and per year power generated 210 megawatt each per day. Power will generated in 5.4 mega unit per day, and also unit 5 and 6 1999 per year also same as the 210 megawatt and per day 5.4 mega unit per day. Unit 7 is 2002 is establishment. Power is generated on year wise 210 megawatt per day, 5.4 mega unit per day. Unit 8 2013 this established and power will generate on year 250 megawatt per day, 6 mega unit per day. Total is annual power is 1720 megawatt and per day 41.28 mega unit per day is generated on the thermal power plant.
Good evening, everyone. My RTPS uses coal for generation of electricity. This daily requirement of coal is about 20,000 metric tons when running at full capacity, which is delivered from Western Coalfield Ltd, means private limited, and Mahanadi Coalfields Ltd. The coal is sampled using computerized system and sent to the laboratory to testing. This ensures that the proper grade of coal is used. Issues: RTPS generates about 1.5 million tons of fly ash annually, causes environmental problems, and 20% of the ash produced is wet bottom ash, which is let into ash bound. The 2% of the ash gets into the atmosphere. This is not environmentally friendly, and hence RTPS has come up with way to make better use of fly ash. RTPS has set up a technology demonstration center called Cashtech. Cashtech used and utilized and environment conversions near his plant. Thank you.